Hey y'all! So I'm gonna be vlogging the whole experience of us going to like Dallas for our first GirlHero convention. I'm really stoked for this. We underestimated how much we were gonna be like packing for this trip. So like yesterday, it was a very long process. We were like organizing all the stickers and like how we were gonna like transport them and like all our business cards, all of our equipment, like a ton of stuff. We're just trying to organize last night. It was crazy. It took a bit, but we got it down. I'll show you guys like our whole area that we're gonna be packing up into the car soon, and then I'm gonna probably show you guys how the car looks after we jam everything in there, because we're gonna be taking my little Chevy Spark since our little GirlHero 86 probably won't be able to hold everything that we need. I just got an oil change too before I started this vlog because I didn't realize I needed it, so we finally got it. Yeah, so I'm waiting for Donnie to get back home, and then we're gonna go get some food and then hit the road. We'll probably not get to Dallas till like 9 or 10 at night, depending on traffic, and it's still like a work week, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna still be like pretty busy trying to get all the way up there. Tomorrow we start really early. I'm still debating if we're gonna stream the like setting up process, because I think that'd be kind of cool for you guys to see, but I'm not sure yet. But if I don't stream it, obviously I'm gonna vlog it for you guys. I'll probably put this vlog that I'm filming right now, which is just like our beginning sequence. I'll probably try and edit that probably later tonight when I get into Dallas and probably put it up, because I'm assuming it's not going to be too crazy long since it's just like the pre-day of the convention. But yeah, I just still wanted to share with you guys our experience. This whole thing is so new to us. Like, it is definitely a learning curve. I'm very excited though. Like, I'm grateful that we started with a very small convention, because I can only imagine us being super frazzled and like super overwhelmed of like trying to even just pack even more product and stuff like that. So like starting off really small is really good for us. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video, because like I said, it's gonna be a whole learning curve and process, and it's all new to us. It's all new. I'm excited to see how it is gonna be tomorrow. So yeah, enjoy the video guys, and I'll see you guys on the next stream. Okay, so check it out, y'all. This is like a little bit of the stuff we're taking so far. I haven't showed the other stuff just yet, but as you can see, here's like a ton of our product in bins. We got more product. Under that bucket is another little bin with more of our stickers and stuff. More stickers. Got some packaging, some of our business cards that I need to take the other box, which is over there in the other side somewhere. What else? So we're taking our luggage that we usually take out of town, because it's gonna hold a lot of stuff, and we gotta roll it into the convention since we're not actually staying at the hotel that the convention is at. So we're just like, all right, let's put stuff in our little rolly bins and we'll just roll them to our table, and I'm hoping that's gonna be an easier process. So we're taking one of the suitcases, and then this one is already filled with some stickers as well. Like, dude, we have a lot of stuff. And these are all our business cards that we're also gonna be packing into the luggage when we can in a second. So the other thing we need to pack is this like little shelf we got to display our stickers. And I think you guys have seen this on my stream. You guys can actually see how we're gonna kind of display some of these. We put them in order. We're kind of testing stuff out. We might change it when we get to the actual show to see what flows better once we see the actual table. But we still got to pack this thing as well. I really like the way it looks though. It holds a lot of our products, so I'm hoping it actually doesn't overwhelm the table, but I guess we'll see once we get there. So we're actually going to also be taking our GirlHero laptop, the laptop we do all of our orders on, and see what is actually like in our store that people got ordered. And we're actually going to be taking our little label maker, because the shop will still not be closed while we're gone. We're still going to probably be doing some orders while we're taking some downtime in between, hopefully selling stuff, or at my sister's place since we're going to be staying there the whole time. So laptop and label maker, they need to go with us. This is probably the newest thing we've added for our GirlHero stuff. We finally got a card reader, and we were testing this thing out, and it is awesome. So the only thing we need to make sure we have is service at the hotel, because it relies on like us connecting through like Bluetooth, and then needing the obviously Wi-Fi to stay connected to the internet and everything. So this thing is awesome. I can't wait to use it. It's super easy to use, and I'm pretty sure more like shop owners have these things. But super cool. Love this square card reader. And yeah, definitely highly recommend if you have a small shop for yourself. All the pink ones, yeah. Some lavender ones. Okay. This one that I packed everything out though is insanely heavy. So it works, but it's like really, really heavy. And I'll put the last ones on. Oh, jeez. The purple one. Ow. It just fell on me.
Like this one sideways and this one face up.
Is that the top? Yeah, that's the top.
That way, because if we stand them up, they'll be right side up.
Yeah, that's fine.
Rather than put this probably here to see.
Okay. If you think that works out. Cool. Oh, we have that ready, and then we just gotta pack up. And then I don't know if we want to get the little stickers from the P.O. box.
Yeah. Well, what time is it?
I think it's really 5:45 or something. Ruby. So it's our clothes, all the products we can, I don't even know if you guys can even see that. One of the luggages with all the laptops and air fresheners and stuff like that. And dang, super jam-packed back here. There we go. At least you guys can see a little bit of it. And there's some more luggage down there with more products. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a very, very heavy trip. My hoodie, my clothes, got some extra packaging in case we need it, and some little bins for the stickers, and then that's the IRL backpack. That's you guys. You guys are gonna be in the back though. Oh, it's an insane view, y'all. It's so packed in here. All right, waiting for Donnie. I think he's getting some last minute things inside the apartment, and we're off to Dallas. Actually, I lied. We're gonna get food first, and then we're off to Dallas. I don't know what the hell's up with the radio. Dasani? Ooh, those are good. Those are really good. You want half of it? These are really good. I want to show my cupcakes. Where does that sound?
Okay.
Oh. What? So they are closed?
Yeah.
Taco Bell. Why? You think they just ran out of food? Well, that's some shit.
Well, he's gonna come down and hang out a few days and then go back up.
He likes Cherry Blacks a lot, didn't he?
Yeah, I mean, we'll definitely get
Yeah, it's fine.
I don't see Jack in the Box.
Yeah, there it is. Jack in the Box. That's the sign. Yeah.
Same thing this way.
Yeah, I think it should be coming up soon. Yeah, it says take this little cemetery road, which is kind of freaky.
Yeah, it's not a cemetery.
It's a cemetery.
But it's this is like an on-ramp to this other highway. Although I'm not sure. Where's Jack in the Box from?
It should be coming up. It just says it took this road.
I don't know if that means I go right.
Oh, it's right there. It's to your left. You'll, then you're gonna go straight, and then you're gonna take that turn to the left. Look at that double big. I want. What's that one I get? The buttery jack?
I don't know what number it is.
I can't see it. I don't even know if they have it.
Not this buttery jack.
It's a buttery jack sandwich. I don't know if they have it.
I assume I just got ripped down.
I guess we'll ask her now when we go to the next. Maybe the next one has. Oh, look, there it is. Woof! I got scared. Okay, it's the bacon and Swiss buttery jack.
Which one's it?
The number 1, isn't it? I'll just take water. I don't want soda.
Could I have a number 1 combo?
Small, medium, large.
Small.
Small.
Red fries and curly.
Curly.
Curly, please. Could I also have a number 11 combo? Medium with Coke. And curly fries as well. That'll be it.
2051.
Alright, thank you.
Guy man? Oh, that does not say that.
What does it say?
It says Guzman. I thought it said guy man. Yeah, you can go put it in the bag. There we go. That's fine. Alright. Ah! Yeah, you can park and we'll enjoy some good old Jack in the Box. Oh, there's gas here if we need a gas too. That's fine. You can get a margarita to go. Nom time. What is this? It's called wrap?
It's called
Interesting. What the hell was that? What is
the same boomer one.
I don't even know what the boomer one is.
It's a TikTok thingy.
I see.
I don't know what the one is, so I'm gonna turn it down.
Yeah. That's very interesting. Okay. Were you waiting for us the whole time? Gotcha. Finally made it here. Whew. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I just wanted to make a quick outro. Everyone is asleep right now, so I wanted to just say thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Tomorrow is day 1 of the GirlHero event, so I might go live, I'm not sure yet, or if I don't go live, I will keep vlogging for you guys. I want to show you guys how our booth looks, so either I'll go live and do a short IRL stream, or I might just vlog it, so we'll see how that goes. But hope you guys did enjoy this